Hello friends, is your engine cranking but refusing to start? Or maybe it starts but runs rough, misfires and lacks power? If your scanner is showing P0343, it means there's a problem with the camshaft position sensor, high input. This sensor is crucial for timing the ignition and fuel injection, and if it's not working properly, your engine might struggle or even fail to start. In this video we'll break down what P0343 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0343 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit High Input. The CMP sensor detects the position of the camshaft and sends signals to the powertrain control module. This helps control ignition timing and fuel injection. A high input signal means the PCM is receiving excessive voltage, which can cause misfires, rough idling, and even a no-start condition. Common symptoms of P0343 include check engine light on, hard starting or complete failure to start, engine misfires and rough idling, poor acceleration and hesitation, loss of power while driving, and reduced fuel efficiency. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious engine performance problems and potential damage to internal components. The camshaft position sensor is usually found in these locations: near the cylinder head, often mounted on the valve cover or timing cover close to the camshaft, behind the timing chain or belt cover, making it harder to access, near the intake or exhaust camshaft in DOHC engines, where each camshaft may have a separate sensor, and check the wiring harness and connectors, as a loose, corroded or broken connector can also trigger P0343. Common causes of P0343 include faulty camshaft position sensor, wiring issues like loose or corroded connections, frayed wires or short circuits, a faulty power supply such as a weak battery or failing alternator, a bad ground connection, a failed crankshaft position sensor, and in rare cases a malfunctioning powertrain control module. Alright, so how do you fix the P0343 code? Well, let's break it down step by step. First, use an obd2 scanner to check for related trouble codes like P0340, P0341, or P0365. This will give you a better idea of what might be going on. Next, locate and inspect the camshaft position sensor, also known as the CMP. Look for cracks, oil contamination, or improper mounting. Any of these issues could be causing the problem. Then, check the wiring harness and connectors for corrosion, loose pins, or damaged wires. These can often be the culprits behind sensor issues. After that, test your battery and alternator to ensure you're getting stable voltage. If they're not up to par, you may need to replace them. Don't forget to inspect the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, as it might also be causing issues. If you find that the CMP sensor is faulty, go ahead and replace it with a new one. Finally, clear the codes using a scanner and take your car for a test drive to confirm the fix. A failing camshaft position sensor can lead to hard starts, misfires, and rough idling. Fixing P0343 will restore proper ignition timing and improve your engine's performance. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0334. Knock sensor circuit high input, bank 2, and P0335, crankshaft position sensor circuit malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.